Hello. So actually today I'm gonna show you a website that I wrote. So this website I'm using it for as a landing page, so finding customers and so on and so forth. I have some blogging also, so I try to do some SEO optimization, those kind of things. So for the main target for this website is to find customers in Windsor, Ontario, because I live in Windsor, Ontario. So I'm looking for customers that, for example, they want to do web design, or for example, they want to do, for example, single page application, this kind of things. So without further ado, let's go to the demo. So okay, so this one is the main website. So this one is a landing page. So the entire thing, it is written with the Shadcn and Tailwind, and later I will show you the code also. So the main feature of the website is light mode, dark mode, or even system, those kind of things. So with the system is that, for example, if you in your operating system using, for example, dark mode in your operating system, it auto detect. So it is very handy. Okay. So after that, we have a blog site. So on the blog site, you can see, let me show on the light mode. So you see a styling, and after that, the card is all customized. I'm doing Tailwind CSS to customize all the cards and so on and so forth to make it be beautiful. So pagination, so something not very fancy. Okay. So for the site content, I'm using the MDX. So later I show you also in the code. Maybe I show you. I don't know. I'm not thinking to go too deep into the code, but just roughly. So contact us. So on the contact us also, for example, you can write, for example, name, after that email address, for example, whatever message, and for example, send the message and so on and so forth. So you see the message sent. So this one basic. So the website is totally responsive. So let's check the responsivity. So let's we make it a little bit smaller. Oh yeah, okay. So when you do a smaller, everything will be a pop-up. Oh, when you make it responsive, also it become a hamburger menu. So let's go to here. So you see you have a nice hamburger menu. Everything is aligned. And if you go to the blogging again, everything is aligned. So it is a nice website for small customers, the ones that, for example, for somebody simple, for a small shop, I think this some website like this is more than enough. So I can further improve the. I'm planning to further improve this one, so I will update you if I further improve it. I'm thinking to improve the landing page a bit, so make it more fancy or something like that. But in general, for a small shop, I think this one is more than enough. So the main thing about this website is that it is written by the Next.js. So if you are familiar with the Next.js, you see this is the Next.js 14 file structure. So it is a static website rendering, so everything is very fast. So yeah, so you can see all the layout pages, global CSS, and those kind of things. So everything is well organized, and I'm using the Shadcn. On the Shadcn, you see all the components in here is separated. Back in the days I was doing this website, I was not doing the storybooks, but I'm thinking to maybe add some storybooks to show you how the things is, everything is put together. So this is the components that it is generated by the storybooks itself. And these are the components that was introduced by me. So for the menu item, I did something fancy. So my menu items is a little bit of more modular. Let me check where it is in the config, for example. So you can have a place that, for example, you can give him some sort of JSON or something like that, and after that he can populate the menu bars for you, and for example their references and those kind of things. So not everything is hard coded. So it make it a little bit nicer, and this kind of thing. Global CSS. In the global CSS, you can see my stylings mostly used by the this one is a teams terms by the Shadcn. So it's very straightforward. And this one is a layout. Again, the layout side is not something very fancy. And the pages. So this one is the overall general view. So I have everything. So I'm on the services side. I'm all the content, all the MDX files is generated a static. Let me show you some of the sample for the some of the samples for the what is this MDX files. So I think it's public. Yeah, it is in public in blocks. Yeah. So for example, the MDX files, they are very helpful. It's just you can put everything inside the MDX file, and it makes life very easy. So this one is a proper one. So this one, it has some content in it. So for example, I'm not sure you are familiar with the MDX file, this kind of things, but make life much easier. Okay. So I'm just rendering the MDX file. So you let me know if you are interested in this, how to do MDX files and those kind of things, how to render the MDX files. So yeah, and some of the images, yeah, cover photos. Yeah, so this one is some of the cover photos that I'm using for the blogs and so on and so forth. So this one is a sample, and this one is some of the samples, so you can go look into it. Okay. So I will link the GitHub down below. The GitHub link down below. Let me change my screen. So I will link the GitHub down below. Please don't forget to go and give me a star. I really appreciate that. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Your support is really appreciated. Thank you and have a good day.